Welcome back, friends. However, really quickly, I have a little bit of some water today. Now, I know today is Rainbow Day. Can I just say it's making me feel so happy and cheerful? I don't know, whenever I see bright colors, they just brighten up my day. However, this belongs to Olivia. I had to borrow it from her. She helped me set up. I'm not sure if you can tell, but she helped me decorate my workspace this morning. And she was like, "Mommy, you need to put all the rainbows from this house and you need to decorate." And so that's what we did. So really quickly, one thing I always tell her is, listen, Olivia, you could be as smart as you are, you can be as beautiful as I think you are, right? But one thing that won't ever go away is your good heart. I said, don't forget to always carry with you a kind heart. So with that said, our word of the day will be kind. Alrighty? Alright, let's focus our attention now on that. So now we're going to solve for the same problem but using another strategy. This is going to help me not only check my work, but also realize that maybe I have a more efficient way of solving multi-digit multiplication word problems, and it's really up to you to decide what your preference is, right? And so the first thing I'm going to do when I'm using standard algorithm this time is I'm going to stack my two numbers that I am multiplying, or I should say my two factors that I am multiplying. One on top of the other. Now, the first thing we do, friends, is when using standard algorithm, I'm going to multiply in my bottom factor the ones with the ones with the tens. So we're only using the ones digit for now in our second factor. So just so you can see this, I'm going to be circling. So again, I'm going to multiply 4 times 8. And 4 times 8, if you can recall, is 48. I'm going to regroup that 4, and I'm going to write out my 8 over here. Next, I'm going to now multiply my ones with my tens, my ones from my second factor. And so this is 8 times 1, which is, if you're thinking with me, 8, plus 4, which is 12. Now, please remember that before we continue to solve, right below our answer, we're going to continue our work right underneath. But because we already solved using the ones place from our second factor, we're going to use a placeholder. We call this the 0, okay? That's our placeholder. And now our work will continue on this way. So let's switch it up. Now this time I'm going to multiply my tens in my second factor with my ones, and then my tens with my tens. So please watch me. We have 2 times 6, which is 12. I'm going to write on top of this 4 from before because I don't need it anymore. And I'm going to regroup my 1 and write my 2 right underneath. Now this time, friends, my tens with my ones place. 2 times 1 is 2. Please add any regrouping that you do, which is 3. Last but not least, because we have solved, again, kind of like bits and pieces at a time, we want to make sure we are now adding these numbers together. So 8 plus 0 becomes 8. 2 plus 2 is, sound of my snap, 4. And again, 3 plus 1 is, 4. Now, what do you know? That looks like the number we just saw when using our partial product strategy. Now, you know me, I'm going to push for you to make sure that you always include a statement. Even though you had like a little bit of a blank that said blank chairs, let's just turn it into a statement. How many chairs were there? There were 448 chairs, right? And you can write that out in a sentence. Alrighty, friends, so that concludes our math learning for today. If you have a hard time when you're completing your exit tickets, just know that these videos are a point of reference, right? Look back, see, look at the work that we did, recall what we reviewed during our morning videos. Now, that's all I'm going to say. Till next time, thank you for joining us, and enjoy the rest of your Rainbow Thursday.